Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to make an electronic signature to insert into documents. Okay, so this is not going to be using online websites, because I've seen if you sign like even familiar signature, they might store it in their cloud, so it's kind of dangerous to do it online. So I'm just going to teach you how to do it locally. So you're going to go into your search bar right here and search for our old buddy Paint. Okay, so search for Paint, open it up. Okay, and here you'll have this. Okay, so I'm just going to do a random signature right here. Okay, so yeah, basically that's a signature. That's not a very nice signature, so yeah, whatever. So on how to screenshot this, so we're going to screenshot this, just going to take this out. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Windows key, click on Shift and click on S. So 3 buttons will toggle your screenshot tool. Okay, or you can just go and search for snipping tool. Okay, see snipping tool right here, snip that. Okay, and this thing will open. So in your new, just click on new. Okay, and just screenshot this like that. Voila. And here you can click on file, save as, to desktop, and save. Don't save this, and you have your very own electronic signature to insert into your documents, created locally, so you don't have to worry of your signature getting stolen. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope it really helps, and yeah, thanks for watching.